Hello, everyone. Today we're taking you on a journey across India to explore 10 breathtaking destinations that truly define the beauty of this incredible country. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our magical journey through incredible India. Our first destination, Kashmir. Often called heaven on earth, Kashmir is famous for its stunning valleys, snow-covered mountains, and crystal clear lakes. Take a Shikhara ride on Dal Lake, go skiing in Gulmarg, or simply enjoy the peaceful vibe of Pahalgam. Every corner here feels like a scene straight out of a movie. Next, we head south to Kerala. Known as God's own country, Kerala is all about lush greenery, serene backwaters, and peaceful beaches. A houseboat ride through the canals of Alleppey is an experience you'll never forget. It's the perfect destination to relax, refresh, and reconnect with nature. Now, let's move to the royal land of Rajasthan, the land of deserts, forts, and palaces. Rajasthan is full of color, culture, and charm. From Jaipur's Hawa Mahal to Udaipur's beautiful lakes and Jaisalmer's golden fort, every place tells a story of kings, queens, and royal heritage. Next stop, Varanasi, one of the oldest living cities in the world. The Ganga Aarti on the ghats of Varanasi is a divine sight. The chanting, the lamps, and the river together create a spiritual energy that touches your soul. People don't just visit here, they feel this city. Our fifth destination, Goa. If you love beaches, music, and fun, Goa is your dream place. From the lively beach shacks to the colorful festivals and parties, Goa's vibe is unmatched, especially during Christmas and New Year when the city truly comes alive. Now, up in the Himalayas, Manali. A paradise for honeymooners and adventure lovers alike. Snow-capped peaks, the Parvati Valley, and thrilling activities like paragliding in Sulang Valley, Manali gives you that perfect mix of peace and excitement. The cool breeze here whispers, "Stay a little longer." Next, we fly to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Turquoise blue waters, white sandy beaches, and calm surroundings, this tropical paradise is like a hidden world in the middle of the ocean. Visit the historic cellular jail or watch the sunset at Radhanagar Beach, which is one of the best beaches in the world. Now we go east to Darjeeling, famous for its tea gardens, toy train, and the majestic view of Kanchenjunga at sunrise. Sipping a cup of hot Darjeeling tea while watching the fog roll through the hills, that's a moment you'll want to live again and again. Up next, Meghalaya. Known as the abode of clouds, this is one of India's most enchanting states. With its waterfalls, living root bridges, and the misty town of Cherrapunji, Meghalaya feels like a real-life fairy tale hidden in the hills. And finally, Ayodhya, the sacred birthplace of Lord Rama and now home to the grand Ram Mandir. The devotion, the lights during Deepotsav, and the energy of this spiritual city connects you deeply to India's soul and culture. So friends, these were India's 10 most stunning places that everyone must visit at least once in their lifetime. From the snowy peaks of Kashmir to the beaches of Kerala,